Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you FleetCart Modern e-commerce CMS. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard, total sale, total order, total product, total customers, then sales analytics, latest search. Cynthia. এই যে আঙ্গুল 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 latest searches, latest order, then latest review. Another option is product, create product, all product, category, brand, attribute, then attribute site, variation, option, tag, review, then sale, order, transaction, flash sale, coupon, page, menu, then blog, post, category, tag, import, media, then user, location, then aperture, then report, tools, sitemap, then settings. So many options is general settings, then logo, store, PAW, currency, SMS, mail, newsletter, custom CSS, social logging, then shipping method, payment method, clear and catch. You can see profile. You can customize and change your password. If you want this, check out link in the description below.